This will be a quick unboxing of My Geeky Goodies April. I think it was Mystery Mashup. So there was no specific theme for this month. We have Handicorn. Turns your hand into a unicorn. Have the Mystery Mashup button. $20% off from T-Maki. Looks like we have a t-shirt. Like some reference to the Kool-Aid Man. I'm not really quite sure what that is on the shirt. Maybe someone can tell me. We have, well, this is really neat. We have Ash from Army of Darkness, a Funko Pop. That is really great. I've never seen that. We have a Garbage Pail Kids button. And Harry Potter Bernie Bott's Every Flavor Beans. So that is My Geeky Goodies April Mystery Mashup. Thanks for watching.